of you. See the path light and clear. No more worry or fear. Transform your fate. Rewrite your story. Letting go of past. Find your glory. Change your future now. Break free, don't ask how. Money story old and more. Time for a life reborn. Write it fresh, start anew. Riches inside of you.